Even if you have applied the security settings in macOS, it may be necessary to repeat this procedure after an update of the operating system or the application. So first, make sure to exit PhraseExpress. Then open the system configuration or system settings. Switch to privacy and security. Then browse to accessibility. And this is somehow quirky, but even if you find PhraseExpress activated here, you may need to re-add the program with the plus symbol. So click here, authorize yourself, and then browse to PhraseExpress to re-add it to the security settings. Then go back to the general privacy and security settings and browse to input monitoring. And repeat the same step regardless if PhraseExpress is already activated here. So click on plus, browse to PhraseExpress, open it. Then go back. And to be able to place a phrase menu, you will need to enable PhraseExpress for screen recording. It's kind of misleading, but it uses the same feature set in the macOS. And again, even if it is activated, you need to manually add it again. We know this is tedious, but we have no influence in this. We don't know whether this is a bug or an extra security measure. We would love if this would be easier. So, but this is required. And then you can restart PhraseExpress and it should work.